What does on exchange mean? So let's talk about what on exchange means and the differences between on and off exchange. So let's start with on exchange and why you might want to go with an on exchange plan. On exchange plans are going to be income-based plans. So those are going to be plans where we fill out an application with you, we send that application to the federal government, and based upon that application, the federal government is going to award you an estimated tax credit for your health insurance. So when they give you that tax credit, they don't actually send it to you, they send it to the insurance company. So when we're looking at a non-exchange plan, that's going to be a plan that maybe is $700 a month, but you're getting $600 in tax credit. So your experience is you have a $100 a month premium for your health insurance. And the reason that we use an exchange for that is there's got to be an entity in place that can manage that tax credit and manage that information for the federal government. So just like a stock exchange manages the buys and sells, this exchange manages that tax credit. On-exchange plans are great because they're obviously going to be cheaper for a lot of people to be able to use. They're not going to have to pay as much in premium. Sometimes, depending on where their income is, they can get plans with really, really low out-of-pocket costs. But those plans are going to be limited. They're going to be typically limited on the networks, that is the number of doctors that they have in them. They're going to be limited in a lot of the options. There's not going to be any options for coverage outside of the network. So a lot of times when people aren't getting significant help with their premium from the federal government in the form of a tax credit, they'll look at an off-exchange plan, and that's going to be the same basic design of plan. It's going to be a qualified health plan. It's going to meet all of the criteria, but it's often going to have more bang for the buck. That same $700 that you would be paying for an on-exchange plan is going to have lower out-of-pocket costs, more co-pays, a better network of doctors. And also, if you have a challenge with that plan, it's usually easier to fix that challenge with an off-exchange plan than it is on. So what we need to do is we need to get together with you when open enrollment comes along, and we sit down and we look at your income and we look at your health needs, and we help you choose what the best plan is for you. Just give us a call at Aware Benefits when open enrollment comes along. Aware Benefits is your friend with benefits.